Suresh, Duba, Dhulabhai, Patel versus IIT. Section 2, subsection 14, clause 3, the agriculture income. Agriculture land sold to non-agriculture is not capital asset, not liable to be an assessee as a capital gain. Sold agriculture land and purchased another agriculture land and took possession, entailed to deduction. Tribunal held that the land revenue were paid every year to the government's agricultural land. From one certificate of the collector, it was evidence that till the date of sale, land was agricultural land and no non-agriculture activity that has been carried out on said land till the date of the sale. Nothing officer was directed to treat the land as agricultural land. Assessee purchased another agricultural land and took possession. Enter into deduction. He is entitled to do such a deductions. Deduction under what section 10(1), 45 and 54B. 54 what capital gain. So, a farmer who has a land, who sells a land, got another agriculture land, he can claim deduction. At the same time, it is agriculture land, it's not subject to capital gain 45.